Meanwhile, Vice President and President Advisor on OFW Concerns Jejomar Binay assures the government will extend assistance to Filipino expatriates finding themselves in trouble or having problems in the Middle East. Noel Perfecto has added details.
Vice President Jejomar Binay assured that he will immediately take action in the current situation of overseas Filipino workers in the United Arab Emirates. The government of Qatar filed an espionage case against 3 Filipinos who have allegedly been acting as spies in the said country, while a Filipino suffered third-degree burns because her employer allegedly poured hot water on her.
Yun ho, malungkot na malaman natin na espionage yata yung tatlo, no? Iniimbestigahan pa yan. Opo. Iniimbestigahan pa yan. At yun, sinusundan na ng ating embassy kung paano.
Vice, so nag-apela po yung mga magulang nung tatlo. Sana yung mga lalaki. Na-frame up daw yun.
Yung isa dyan, kung yan ba yung nawawala pa daw nung May 6. Dati isa lang yan, naging 3 nga. No?
Meanwhile, the family of the victim has already secured help from the office of the Vice President, who is also the Presidential Advisor for OFW Concerns.
Nakausap ko, nagpunta sa akin yung magulang, yung tatay, saka yung kapatid na matanda. Kausap sila, nasa mabuting katayuan ng rin yung bata. 23 years old lang pala yun. Tiga Mindanao. Pero nandun na siya sa shelter house at tinutulungan ng ating embassy. Titingnan lang kung paano ba yung habla niya. No, ha?
Malacanang said it has extended help to the victims through legal assistance and the Philippine Embassy's support to their families. The government assured it will take action on who will be proven guilty on the scalding of the Filipina maid. Binay said there will be an extensive investigation on the issues currently faced by our OFWs.
So, yung OWAD, nakahandang tumulong yun. Dati documented naman yun. Nandyan ang OWAD. Pero ang inaano ngayon is kung ano mangyayari dun sa habla niya.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.